Mwiroreri wa metha ya Kagoni uri mwega njitagwo Monica Kagoni ngikunyita ugeni na ni thiini wa segment twendete muno no kaingi tuticamanagia na ng'ano icio itagwo loved again. Gutire mundu tendete kwendwo, especially ugikorwo tunganite na ngurara cia wendo ugacoka ugacamania na mundu Ngai akuhuthira kuhonia ngurara icio cia wendo wakihuthira wendo. It is a very very nice and beautiful experience. Tukunyita ugeni mutumia witagwo Angela Mwangi kana no umwite tu just Angie. Niwe turi nake muthenya wa umuthi nigetha na mutumia uyu ri rugano rwake has a lot of insight. Ni nyina wa mwana special. Mwana uyu ari na condition itagwo autism na ni gukorwo nginyagia gituhe insights cia mwana waku aciarwo ni ati ungimenya mwana uyu ena condition ya autism, what are the telltale signs, nigetha ugatigaga kuhura mwana ugiciria ni kuigua taraigua uri uramwira but in real sense ni condition ari nayo. Na mwana ucio mwiroreri no akugererie kigeranio kirito muno na mundu wothe wana korona mwana special like my friend Karo Kinyugo ni agukwira mwana uyu demands a lot of your attention, demands a lot of your patience, your love na maundu macio mothe, na mwana uyu no atume nginyagia uingatwo kuria uhikite witwika o matigiaga ciana ta icio wanaigua karugano kau. So Angela has a lot of insights na ni gwenda uthikiririe rugano ruru up to the end, especially if you're a mother na gikorwo ni uratanya gutwika a parent. Mwiroreri mbere ya nyitete Angela ugeni ndenda kwamba guikurugio kuria mwena wa Mombasa kuria ngoretwo ngikwira horo wigie Vipingo Prime project ya Optiven na ni ngoretwo ngikuririkania na no ngukuririkania. It is a very prime project hakuhi na Vipingo airstrip, 5 minutes actually only from Vipingo airstrip, 4 kilometers from the beach na only 30 minutes kuma Moi International Airport haria project ino eri. What does that tell you? Mombasa na nigwirite kaingi na kaingi na ndiuka ni uri ureka homework yo yaku ugugu we urie ni biashara iri kwira thrive kuria mwena wa coast. Google will tell you it is anything to do with tourism na muno makeria haria agendia ya mokaga gukoma in terms of hotel, Airbnb, hadu mugendi agiuka kana mugeni agiuka gukoma. Na riu ri tondu ni maroka aige muno, we are talking of about 2 million international tourists every year makomaga ku ni we uragia kiuria kiu tumikawa ni uthiaga ukaigwa bookings ni ciura gutire andu na andu. These people are resorting into Airbnbs na nikio biashara ya Airbnb enyitete thinga na ni tuwe turia gikuyu we go where opportunities are. Nikio ndirakwirira horo wa Vipingo Prime how no wake your own holiday home where wanogio ni kuria wikaraga kana wenda kwa holiday uthi Mombasa wina handu ngikara. When you're not there you convert it into an Airbnb igaguthondekagira mbeca. Na mwiroreri project ino all the information you need to know ukuhura thimu kwa Optiven 0790300300 0790300300 na ni ukuhe all the information that you need to know about Vipingo Prime. Neririkana niria tu classifyaga as a 5-star project koguo ni kundu kurekirwo ruthingo ona very soon neguthi Mombasa gwenye progress report ni kundu kurekirwo farafara shina kabro. There's a very majestic gate irakwa hakuhi kuri kathaici na the project is well lit with solar street lighting, maintained Optiven with going green na all the amenities iria ciothe cirekirwo including a clubhouse and a swimming pool. Koguo ni kundu uringiraga uguo kaigwa wow, I am in the right place. Na mwiroreri togwo ndakwira 0790300300 ni namba ya Optiven. Na ikoni ukigurite ri kana wina handu ugurite kiari ni tukwiraga kaingi na kaingi ndugetikirie kia giaku giikare idle. Na gwa promito ni turakwirire we are now not doing houses, we are doing homes. Yani togwakira nyumba tu for the sake ya gwaka. No, we want to give you a place where you will really call a home. So we are very particular on the design, site planning to start with. Peredaya tuoka kiria mugunda-ini waku kana kia-ini giaku, the first thing we look at is site planning. Tuku advice nyumba yaku reke korwo haha nigetha haha no wake ga swimming pool, kana haha no wige ka gazebo, kana korwo ni wendaga kureithia nguku ciaku tugucihithana haha thutha. We are very particular on site planning. Na nyumba yaku idea area uri nayo, you just tell us bit by bit. Kwina team of experts maguikara thi magucorere nyumba iyo, then won your drawing wero ni weno. If you're okay with it, we go to the next step ya BQ. Wekirwo BQ wero nyumba yaku ego cost this much, na nyumba ino ri akorwo na mbeca ciothe ri ukuruta 30%, we finance you 70%. Then 70% is to finance, will agree on the timelines icio ukuriha financing hiyo waheo. Yani we are saying we are not just building houses, we are building homes. So mirarari namba ya Promito iri house screen yaku. Nituriga gugutwara Dubai a few weeks ago. Tugitwara a group of people to Dubai. We had fun. Twasherie kundu gutiganite, the Dubai city tour, the Abu Dhabi city tour, the Grand Mosque, nitwathire Dina Inayoch, nitwathire desert safari, and so much fun twagire kuria Dubai. Would you want to tour Dubai? Hihi nemo ya kundu kuria ugite mwaka uyu ugithira ni gwenda gucera Dubai? Bountiful Safaris is giving you a very good deal, a very good discount, especially wauma metha ya Kagoni. You get the Kagonis discount. So mwiroreri ugikorwo nda gucera August, December as a family, friends, individuals, chama, we have all those twina all nitugukufangira all that. Kiria urabatara gwika no kuhura namba ya Bountiful house screen yaku, umere urenda guthie Dubai or any other destination urafangira guthie December. Let us do the hustle for you ya gugufangira we no murigo waku, bagi yaku ukoyo thie uingire ndege ukinye kuria urathi, ni ugakora tukufangire maundu mothe. So namba ya Bountiful iri house screen yaku. Once again, thank you so much ni gucagura metha ya Kagoni. Ni subscribe ite gwiraga, it is so easy. No ka button ka ukandikito subscribe ukuhihinya and officially utuike subscriber wa metha ya Kagoni na utuike member of this grand community. Thank you na karibu sana. Jitikiria nyite ugeni Angela uria turi nake muthenya wa umuthi. Karibu sana Angela. Na thank you muno mbere ndaya ni gugwita na ihenya no getikira guka. Ndirahirwo namba yaku ndi muiritu witagwo Karo, na ni tondu ni ndonete mukiaria uhoro wa ciana iria cikoragwo na special needs. But my major interest ni muthuri uyu wa kwenda when you have a child with a special need. Koguo ndirauga ungitikira please uka metha-ini ututare uhoro wa kurera mwana wina special needs na oro tugi celebrate this gift of love. Karibu sana Angela. Umete ku?
Thank you for inviting me. Nyumete Murang'a, Mugoiri ward.
Aya, Mugoiri ha?
Yes.
Mugoiri ku?
Mugoiri ni Kiharu. Handu hetagwo Gatundu.
Gatundu Gihoi. Gatundu Gihoi.
House of shopping center ini ungioria kwa Angela kana kwa nyina wa Morris umutoro kinya hakeja. She's just within the shopping center.
Kwa nyina kuli Macani?
Asa
utiri Macani.
I think ni kahua.
Ni kahua. Ko kiria oi muno ni gutiwa kahua.
Muno.
Uthomeire ku?
Thomire thukuru nyingi. No ndarikirie thukuru etagwo Hillstar Academy. Primary niko ndarikirie. Na high school geto shukuru etagwo Jombe High School Kagima. Ngirikiria kuo ngioka niguo ndokire Nairobi College, Nairobi Aviation College. I did freight management. Freight. Yes, bado mame clearing and forwarding, but initially it was freight management. Yes. Niyo da major.
Nigo clear ido port ni kana niatia.
Yes. Airport, port everywhere. But I don't practice it.
Niki.
For so many reasons. I don't practice it now where I am at.
Okay.
But I later went for a beauty course. I think that was my main interest sana in life, a beauty course which I'm practicing now.
Oh.
Yes.
It's exactly we kagatia. makeups ama?
For now I have a shop, a boutique shop in trouser nguo na nini, and then I'm majoring more nails. Yeah. Okay. Kutengeneza kucha, manicure, pedicure and all that. Makeup bado sijafika hapo, but I will get there. That's the main aim.
Okay.
Kufungua a big beauty shop and having to do everything, makeup and everything, yeah. Yes, but which I started like a year ago. Yes.
For now, urathondeka ndwara?
Nails peke yake, yeah.
Okay. Wow, okay. Haya, so Angela, kana gaku ndaiguire ugita Liam.
Yes.
How old is he?
Liam is 7 years old.
7 years.
Yes.
Ni wakagĩa ni kuhika wahikite kana no kuheni uria mundu akihenagio na agakigwa magerio-ini turi andu?
Eke tuge tikuhenio tondu nilipata Liam at 27 koguo tikuhenio ndina miaka 27 nili ndoi
no ikuhenio na kwa kuhenio
ndoi ngĩingĩra irima na ngiuma no ndacemanirie na mũndũ ndaruta wĩra Machakos within Machakos ngĩcemania na mũndũ I was very single ngĩcemania na mũndũ tũgĩikaranga nake maisha tugitwarananga maisha-inĩ maya na hustle ya maisha and then fortunately ngĩgĩa nda ya Liam. Ndagĩa nda ya Liam rĩ rĩu hau niho anga mũndũ ũgaganirie rukwa
tondu gwathire atĩa
mũndũ rĩrĩa the minute they sat down mwĩrire tondu twari sawa, we are very good communicating, we are very good twĩ hamwe jioni, twĩ hamwe nĩ turacemania nona he gĩtiribu mũkoma hitanĩtie na mũndũ. Funny enough wiki yothe tũtiahitanĩtio na hanini no ũrĩa ũnegenaga tũtianegenanĩtio or anything. No the moment I realized I'm pregnant ngĩmwĩra maisha magĩcenjia kuma like that very second. Actually I think ona mundu ni aracenjia kaundu titarakwarĩria titarenda gũkwarĩria
wa mwĩta kana wa mũbreakera news
asa dona atiriri ndina news ndirenda gũkũbreakera no wacemania nake titena interest ona ya gũkwarĩria or anything at that particular time. Tukiadia conversation ya message ndamutumire ga strip ile sitsa like a surprise ile surprise expect atafurahia ndamutumire WhatsApp ngihora bisa ngimutumira he didn't even respond. He started issues he started the first message he doesn't even recognize first ona mundu ndakioragio kondo nigatugaka but I guess he understood what that is. Kumania na hau tukianjia bara maundu ona itoi ni kwa ni mahapenaga ukaigua riu ri mwana I'm not even stable yet kanona right now I'm not even able to balance myself tumodo na initially ndwatuonete ukariwa riu yuri but anyway I think from that instant tukihitania ona tutiamitire up area riu ati basi let's gimwira basi let's meet up and talk about this because it has happened, it is here. Na mundu ucio reke njuge we were at some point ni amitete even my siblings ni ura ni rafiki nini umempeleka in your family gathering ameonekana. So for me because okay invite mundu on this other side you expect you serious but anyway kumania na hau tukiajeru kinyani kwandikanira message wamwira let's meet and talk about this. We never met until when I went to have Liam not that very day after like nilienda hosi like on a Monday and I had Liam on a Wednesday because I had a prolonged labor on a Wednesday. On Thursday usiku wa saa 8 za usiku ndio alikuja with a friend.
Usiku wa saa 8 ameingilia wapi hospitali?
Alihongana in Kenya because I was dead asleep. Nilikuwa nimela I did CS so it's zile you have gone through a struggle of like 2 days. Umepewa mtoto umeenda ukapewa kitanda umekaa kwa kitanda now you're sleeping you both of you with the baby you are tired so mi nimelala after I just woke up kitu midnight huko the soldier wanakuja wanauliza wakumbe wameitana throughout, but you see as patients bado hamjajuana majina. Sasa vile niliamka kwenda kwa kuchota maji or doing something, geigwa wetano rigi acio makijua niwe unaitwa Angela, nikamwambia na niguo sarethio no ni soja magiuka ngimoria no rajaria ati uko na wageni, ngimoria wageni usiku saa 8 ngimwira walete basi ni waone. Shock of my life ngimwona niwe after 9 months.
After 9 months ni hedioka
drunk
ati
nire with a friend. And now you're in hospital. What do? You're tired. Umetoka kulala, umewaona, what do? Chukua mtoto muone. Wakaanza kuconverse na the friend. Didn't ask anything about kama uko aje, what happened. I don't know.
What did he?
Mare kiare makiuma magithie. And from then 7 years later, I have never set my eyes on him. Yes.
Guy.
Yes.
Kogo how ni wamenya outright niende ama single man.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, you'll try to reach out because you're thinking edo itwe werehe. Kogo maybe ni ena kaudu ni tareda mu get back kana tondu niona mwana rigi ni kuigwa kaudu edeke. But then I tried reaching out until I think I gave up because he was not responding. Afu ni gweshira mundu tondu and somehow stable ni aguguteithiriria. But I thank God I had a very good job. I didn't struggle much. Ni gweshira tondu niwe werehe tiwe wa mwita niwe werehe ni aguguteithia. So I tried reaching out but giona na he's not even trying. Ona darageria ona gutuma cia ndaipa ngiona riu haha ni nie na ni nie. And my mom encouraged me akijira riu rugendo ru ni rwaku na mwana waku na riu us as a family will support you. And the journey started. Na karugana go ndirakura ti ati Mombasa de Nairobi we are still in the same town.
Machakos.
Yes, how we didn't ever meet, I don't know. But we never met the 9 months and after. Wow. But I later left. I think I felt I needed to heal from all this. Because when you stay stuck at the same place, utakuwa tu bado unaona ni kama it's possible. So I reached out to my company back then. Get your transfer, Githwaro Embu. That now my healing journey started and my life started as a single mom.
Embu.
Yes.
Haya, mwana uyu ri ne agukuratia. Ni ukunote anything that is a little bit off. Kana agukuratia.
Egukura like a normal child. Being a first time mom, ona domenyaga kana kukiriro giki ni too much kana ti too much. Egukura no ni ariraga muno. Which I later realized it was a sign.
Yeah,
ni arira muno tuko kinya neighbor magoka kiroko kuria what is niki kirathi na mbere kurira tu peke yake. But milestones walking ali walk tuseme tu like there was no delay in walking. The only delay that happened ni meno. Alitoka meno ya kwanza akiwa 2 years. Which wasn't haikuwa ile they disturbed tondu riu ri nduiona kana kajagia ni mieri 6 ni mwaka alafu ni kwirwo atiriri boys ni madiliaga koguo for me I took that koguo any delay ni boys any delay ni boys na wori atumia kwa wakwari onekire alafu I got too busy giandika muiretu na ruwira wakwa wari from 7 to 9 usiku. Riu naga in between ukura kirutuge kura ukathi nyumba ukona ni mario sawa na muiretu ugacoka wira. By the time urakinya nyumba ringi metoro ya wakomire riri urauma ringi ugatigire toro no ni ukuheo chance ya lunch uthi ukongithie no nona nduri na that much time. I think ru digimenya kana ni kwari na ini at that particular point there were no much ru haha magego majia maga kuma at 2 years ni ndagitwikire concern. But doragia my consultant ni my mom. She has been a nurse for all her life. Ukoguo kindu giothe niwe ndoragia kindu giothe ndona kimira hakirwa karohayo ni my mom. Riu twaturandimuragia riu magego maya kai mataumaga akinjira sa magego gutire mundu kuraga akagimara tari koguo no muhaka akagĩa and now ndwake riu no ona no atuika very no relax tondu riu magego magukiuma but at 2 ndari araria ni aretana ritwa rimwe ona gwicire tu ndetanaga anything no ni araigua
no ndararia
tondu no ngimwite ku nie kuigua wa mwireka kina very comfortable ndehere furana yaku ndekorehe yakwa ekurehe yake chukua viatu va ekuikira ciake ono ko magikira kombo no ni there is no hard way confuse ona bado ndire nayo yake ndirio bado tuhene tuceragiro kinya kwaria riu 2 years 3 years my sister akaniambia the wife to my brother akanielezea one day when we met there's a friend ari na mwana Taliam ni araria no ndararia no ni araigua akini refer to Kise for assessment. I think denial unaamenya niko kona yo denial process ya Asha oyo regiragwo ni akaria na riu nona bado ndirio haso nyingi ndi ona dikire na kiria gitikira muthenya umwe ngiukira ngithi Kise they just do assessment makigiyuria questionnaires maciuria nyingi ru out of whatever ru dukora rege questionnaire na max like 10 ukona like a condition make rate mild whatever severe make rate at some level 10 5 ugo makinyandikira marua referral to Kenyatta for better assessment or more assessment githie Kenyatta kwe Dr. Omondi they did their own assessment na diagnose mwana akimwira ena IDD which is intellectual development disorder na ADHD bado tutire turero horo wa autism no icio igirire ni ona ndire ndaigua ona dio ni ADHD ona dio ni kikiu ADHD ni attention something delay na hyperactiveness something so ni daba kuigira Google yajira it has no cure ukikona wathikiriria karogano ni ndaririre ni ndirangite maita maingi fiu tondu riu ri wamba warora Google ri it has no cure nduri waigua undu toyo ne it has no cure that means first of all my mind is mwana wakwa ndaragia koguo ndakanaria tondu it is all about the mind ndakanaria ngirigwo ruru ri ni rugano ruriku
ithe ni athire kaput
ithe ni ambire guthie kaput amna ru haha ne tukuingira amna in another relationship
you're in another relationship
nitokire toka fio ona wira wa ebudi uthirire ndadoka ru ndajia haso Nairobi I have met somebody else
in Nairobi
yes and we have agreed now this one we'll take it to the next level no kumbe were
so next level ni muikaranie kana
tuikaranie
na mwambia guikarania
mwana ekiduru hau around 3 years na niaelewa mwana uria hana
wa mutariria
no at that time ndiraje process ya Kenyatta kamwira ru ndimwerethete ru mwana ni amenya I have a boy witagwo Liam na ndaritie bado he had no problem tuki agree and I was okay with it mimi nika agree na ngiona ni mundu mwega he was very good kumuona
ugo ako relate atana Liam
relationship yake nona ni mwana munini 2 years bado mwana ni munini no ri ukona the relationship is okay okay pa ni tendete ciana tuge ni endete ciana ni ekuoya mwana ni muguthi handu but not too often tondu na first of all nigetha before I moved in with him uria mwari mucie na my mom my parents na tugituika ni tukugira Liam ndiku moving day wika tukugira Liam na tugifangana na Liam akigirwo na twakinya muciri baba akiamba kurega na Liam tondu ni amwendete fiu na ni maikara nake no ndi Nairobi ni mamba guikara nake akirega na akitwira atiriri uyu muiretu ni muguthi nake ni ndamwitikiria no uyu mwana mutiguthi
nake
riu aria magitutwarite ri makiuga aca gutire ndi tungikua mamu wao tutige
Mwana.
twitikirie na agithaithwo biũ na rĩu later on in life ninyona why no kon nyamenyire he ũrĩa onire he ũrĩa iguire niĩ rĩu ndarĩ I think over the moon excited nĩ ndĩrakĩhika ngũgeria rĩngĩ tukĩmũ convince tũgĩthiĩ na Liam no twathiĩ rĩ my ngũmwĩta atĩa my partner back then nĩ athire wĩra wa nja na ndarĩ athi mũno na niĩ ngĩtĩkĩra tondũ athiaga only 2 years na niĩ ndarĩ very comfortable tondũ mĩaka ĩrĩa atakĩrĩ mĩingĩ ũgũgĩcoka
atirĩrĩ rĩu wĩ mũhiki reke tu wĩ mũhiki tondũ wahe kĩheano nĩ baba wanyu nĩ atĩkĩria ona korwo maũndũ maya mangĩ mwĩkage baadaye that's what I would think so mwambĩrĩria gũikarania na mũndũ ũyũ ũrĩa mũhiki atuĩka nĩ agũthiĩ wĩra nja na gũikara 2 years how will that affect your relationship?
Tabe tucoke what happened which I came later on to realize nĩ rĩrĩ nona ũrĩa Gĩkũyũ reke tũhũthĩre Gĩkũyũ tondũ nĩkĩo tũĩ na nĩ tũĩ aciari itũ na nĩ tũĩ our society nĩ harĩa hakinyaga rĩrĩ mwanake nĩ akinyirie mĩaka ona nĩ takĩririe
ya kũhikania
nĩ apushirwo mũno
hikania we
werehe na waga nĩ tũgũcarĩria
ũrĩrehe werehe
na waga nĩ tũgũcarĩria tondũ ndiendaga gũcarĩrio na niĩ rĩu nĩ ndegire biũ gũthiĩ kwao ngamwĩra atĩ ndũgĩthiĩ mĩaka ĩno ĩrĩ niĩ ona nĩ ũkangora gũthiĩ kũrĩa ndĩrathiĩ akiuga aca we ũkawika ũikare mũciĩ ũikaragie nyũmba tondũ nyũmba nĩ agĩakĩte hau we ũkatu no kĩndũ itamenyaga ndoka gũikara njikaranie gũikara the same compound na aciari na everyone else in their family ndioĩ ũguo nĩ ndagĩũka mwanake nona nĩ arehe mũtumia andũ nĩ makena
nĩ ona mũtumia
we rĩu nĩ atuĩka wa gũthiĩ na rĩu ngwĩciria nĩ terĩtwo atĩrĩrĩ kamũira ũthiĩte tũrehere mũtumia aikarage gũkũ Wanjirũ nake agĩkorwo nĩ wĩke in the picture
nĩ oka nĩ arehwo
nĩ oka na virago
nĩ oka na kana gake
rĩu rĩ I think all was well and ngĩikara mwaka mbere very okay na ngĩona biũ tũrĩende biũ na nĩ matwarĩende because gũtiagaga maũndũ maya mwaka I think wa kerĩ rĩ akĩongerera mwaka ũngĩ in his contract I don't know how
aikare rĩu ya
that is when COVID happened I don't know how akĩongerera mwaka ũngĩ without telling me without even explaining to me no nĩ explain aciari na nĩ mauga nĩ sawa ni ndacoka ku realize baadaye tondũ ni ndaoĩ harĩa arokĩra tuseme example okĩra June hakuhĩ na wewe ni uramenya ni aroka orere June irakuhĩrĩria gĩa kwĩra acona ndigoka June ngoka September yakuhĩrĩria kwĩra acona ndiroka September ngoka December the more cirakuhĩrĩria rĩu gĩkinya handũ ngĩũragia rĩ akĩnjira were ona nĩ ndĩrongereire mwaka in my contract rĩu andũ augaga nĩ ũhoro wa COVID atianga COVID irahanĩkire kũrerirwo no flights hĩndĩ nĩ ciahingũrĩrwo na anybody can come in and out rĩu rĩ nĩongerera mwaka I don't even have an issue bado tondũ mũndũ ũyũ nĩ ara provide nĩ ara communication niyo yarĩ na thĩna tondũ ndekwaria ekũhũra thimũ rĩrĩa arenda we wamũhũrĩra busy
ti hwaĩ-inĩ akũhũra thimũ amũrie
mwati nĩ mũgũikara ona wiki igĩrĩ
atarĩ aho
wiki igĩrĩ ndarĩ na ruo we nĩ ũrahũra either he's busy anga WhatsApp itingagĩra Dubai anga kĩ maũndũ maingĩ na tondũ ndikĩrĩ ndathi Dubai ĩno rĩ who am I to nĩ ũrathiĩte nĩ ndĩronire nĩ ũrathiĩte who am I to doubt anga me shift cihana and you have worked you have been in offices rĩu koguo nĩ ũrageria kũmũ understand na ndwenda ningĩ kũmũhe ma pressure maingĩ koguo na ndekũhũra thimũ naria na hũra thimũ rĩ ndarĩ ona na time ya tuge Liam tondũ nona kinya Liam first of all ndara communicate aikonda ina time yaku ya kwanjia kĩrĩ Liam ekwanjia kũmũhe ng'ano irĩkũ na ndara ndekwanjia kwĩtia but provision financially he was good ona didautaga in a second he was good no mũkwaria rĩrĩa mũico wa mweri most of the time twaragia mũico wa mweri ona nĩ ndatagĩrĩra mũico wa mweri tondũ arĩrĩ what do I do that is the only time we can talk akurie bills cihana atia, what are you paying, what do you need, new red ugatumirwo mbeca, communication cards.
Na riu ri ni agukorwo akiaria na ta mamu wao this other time
ona mamu wao ni agoka kiroko akwire ona ni turaritie aranjira atiriri
no wenda na time yako. Wow.
On a video call, on a by the ever in those nini, on a video call na nishiari kuo. I never communicated ever. No ni ugoka wiro atiriri. Ndero ujaririe kina nyumba.
Ni ahurire ugajaririe kina.
Ni gacaria gatwara. And life continues. Ni ona ndire ndiragia those red flags reke tucitie uguo ndire ndiratindanira. No riu tucoke haria muriri. Ria muri unioka ni ndirona hetu maundu tutarathi wega. Ni tara push away, ni tatari umwe wa kou. Indo cikigurwo. And I'm sorry for this, they no nego kora ishoka to people because I never talk about it. Ona dienda rugano ru utindanira na ru because I am over it somehow. No indo cietu akugurwo ri. At some time ni sikugurwo na ciana cia compound na andu acio twina ori na ni ritarire ni akureherwo ko ni mibira yagurwo muthenya ungi ndekureherwo. An instant is kwari na unaona ciana hie ni ciendete mithikiri. Ugakora riu ari eriri tondu hindio mari eriri ni mekugurirwo bikes. Ni tha icio ndire na uwezo wa kugura but I put pressure to my partner at that time. Kimwira Liam bike ni arenda bike wakauga atirire we agicoka ni agoka ni akagura. Kamwira no riu ndona riu ri mwana akwa ararugamo ari angi magitwarithagia
ari ani magurirwo
na ti ari ati we unaonanga vile wewe drive to that point unegereria Liam gutinda riu akithiururukania nao na matindiki aria matoe gutwarithia kinya Malan. Riu ngirigwe niki kirangia. At one point I bought one. Akeza itani no ndagurire muithikiri wa tugigire. Alafu Liam is heavy ni aguithirie. You see now that is when akona ADHD hyperactiveness. Ndiamenya ndafatie kuria sukari, ndafatie kuria wheat. So hyper na ndiramenya thina wiku bado ndiramenya thina. Ni akwaya muithikiri uyu aiachilie yende po ukaumana. Wakora eno egia umana ri the father oma muria wi compoundini akathondeka no aria muno utinda wiki
ya ngeni
no utinda ni urona to maundu tutu no ndurenda kwikira maundu mau hakiri-ini yaku ni ndo ya muithikiri ngautwara gwa fundi riu Ngai he hindi twahania ta twathiania nake akinyona mbere na muithikiri riu kumania na hau akianjia guthondeka ona ni tu instance tuingi turia
na mwana uyu ndarendwo
tondu riu ri ona indo ici cioka ri tariu akagura taringi thwiti kana ona juice aoka age riu ciana cioka istiona riu guka cigatengera to ni cimenya ndoka ake moko matheri ukona ni aneana ni aneo danane Liam. It came to a point ni ndari na thwiti cia kwa nyumba
atilia maga kuheo oka akiriraga
ni ngumenya ni nguma nyone nona ni ukwirwo uyu uri twamuhe thwiti anga ni egwika kakirigo wagura ciake na ciana ici ci hamwe ciothe you know ukona ringi ni maga atiasa Liam ona ciana ni gukwira Liam akurangio no wagaya ciake aiko uyu mwe because they are like brothers, they are even age mates. Dagiria uyu nimekuonania mimi nakula biscuit dia mwe gwikatia.
Okay, would you say mwana uyu ekagwo tharau tondu uhikite nake kana arekwo tharau tondu they have realized there is something special about him?
I think first of all I think initially ndeciragia ni ma accept mwana tondu nioka na ni twakena na nioka but ndacokire ku note ni tondu ndoka nake
ti wako
na ni family te kwenda maundu maingi ni ta ndoka ndama shukisha kirathi ni ta ndoka ndahana taitari umwe wao there is a way mari mendaga maundu mathie riu ni ndoka ita ndamabangurira uria mabangite ki tondu ru ta thukuru ri ugakora ni ngutwara mwana kira thukuru iria ndina uwezo no he thukuru iria marenda ciana icia kucithie
na matira guteithia
riu ni ngakorwo ndi kinda every time I'm against makauga aca ukuiga biashara ino ngamira aca ni ndiendageo no to a point rure ona tiwo akiruta mbeca nduri na icio nyingi weringi ukuruta tunini no uria wina nyingi ni ukuga na mamu auga ukuiga no by the nilieka biashara ya duka ya nguo which I had never thought about but the mother said
ukuiga no
nguo nicio cirekirwo ya beauty ona saruni guko waste time saruni tithiagwo koguo kuiga ino tondu ino niyo ndirona andu maraiga which anyway I'm grateful lianza hiyo biashara but that was how it was wauga ciana ciekirwo jacket mauga citirekirwo
itigwekirwo
ciero cirutwo furana wewe uga asa ni kuhana ta kwina ruhuho kori urarwo nako ndauga cirutwo mafurana ciana.
So do not say.
That time I had locks. When I was getting married, I didn't have, and then at some point I love kuweka locks kwa nywele. Ngikira locks. Sikiaje gete tonini tukiaje. Sia nene hari. Somebody told me an outsider guy kuni kuwekira dreadlocks. Na kukwiragwo ku dreadlocks si amenya dreadlocks there is a way si hana nagiona
na mikora.
Yes, adoma. It's so many things. Na nidarengire
no wasire
at some point after 2 years because me I'm bubbly, I'm an extrovert, I'm all over the place, nina kwanga sijui ile kutulia ama nini ru nigone dreadlocks nego nitaziachilia niende but si mimi ni mimi nywele na mimi zinakujia wapi. I had a nose sling nikaitoa ngirwa kanitha tugithie haria mbere na nose ring
na betiria
geruta dreadlocks hehede rimwe ri ndakirire t-shirt yari na colors cia rege ndahorirwo thimu ya t-shirt usiende nayo job mzee amesema
hiyo utoe
geruta kiona ni turagiana nao na njuire ici geruta nikakata muthenya that day daumire Kinyuthi ndatigire kacwire kani ka braids ndacemania na mutumia cenjira riu ni hindi wahana mutumia wa mundu kirigwo 2 years
ndirahanaga mutumia
to fit in. I did so much to fit in no ukona bado you living someone else life because I'm not okay ikinyire handu rukinya ni ndirehingira nyumba ndire mukenu na we hingira nyumba no uraigwa mwana wakwa kirera na kuja na wauma woria ni yeye amefanya na ru tondu no na yakinya handu ndero Liam amefanya Liam amenichapa ngakuria we umemfanyia nini wewe ndio uko na sauti wewe ndio unaongea Liam haongei wewe niambie umemfanya ona umuthi nyaba gukuria nyaba gukuria Liam amefanyia nini
tondu wende yaria I can imagine. It is okay. It is okay, Angela. It's okay to cry.
Nyaba gukuria Liam amekufanyia nini tondu ti mucogothi hachapanangi tangu muthenya ungi iratu ciake cirari nilikuwa naambia babake leo siroeto igaikio nona gicagi ndireo gicagi bado sigaikio kwa niba kondo ye haizifikisha no damoria ni ananipointia no gona fiu si yeye so ni mtu alichukua viatu zake akatupa just because haizi sema but anyway tulitoka huko acha tusirudi huko so many things happened. I got depressed. I didn't know but one time my cousin told me, Angie, hebu jichunguze, are you okay? Because every time they used to ask me about my marriage ama me, I used to talk about Liam. Mpaka siku moja akaniambia talk about yourself. Ebu assume you don't have Liam. What do you have? And I don't have an answer. Because I think I wanted, unaona ile, first of all, you're a single mom, na wina kihe, ruko worry na ni society ni kwira gai kwanza we single mom na kihe ndungihika ukahikio you know okay so I was like in this space direnda gukorio kiuria kiu ringi because I've already found this one who in the first instant alijua ako so na ni acceptete na kuringana na uria ringi uramwira Liam needs therapy, needs this, he doesn't have a problem, you take Liam to therapy. But where he has left me, therapy is not even helping because therapy ukwirwa atiriri mwana uyu ndugeke woka na gukuri it is the opposite giamba gitigana na therapy riu nona riu turio gacaga saini no ka this life ni menyire condition ya mwana niguo ngukwiraga here dauma Kenyatta re first of all Deroki said Kenyatta I took some time to think about it and then I went to Kenyatta with my letter. Nimepewa condition guko ndiri na mundu ikirondo first of all we are a burden as we have seen so I don't have anybody to share with like what is happening ona kurira guko gwothe ndoka agirira na fana I found a friend and we spoke about it na nika relax but you see when you come in the house kiria gethi na mbere uria ndagitari augare it sinks in but you don't have, so I used to cry at night asubuhi hata ukikutana na mimi sina shida yote niko sawa everything is okay anybody
matiwe wero ndagitari mwana
na wati akuga asha ni makomenya ne ndathi Kenyatta woka worio ugo kumera ati ndagitari ugatirire mwana no akaria kwanja ndokire ndimanete marua ni ndirikana muthenya ucio mathoma ri either they didn't understand ama they just assumed akiuga we nayo ti ndogithio okuria weriro ugathi okuria weriro ugatengeria mwana ona ahuthagira kiuro ati angokundaga anga njohio iria wakundio no yo kundaga tondu nderwo ndorio but you see you're finding a solution for they didn't take that letter as heavy as it was according to me riu ndoniria ya ona damane make ngingira wakwa sijioni utalia tu alafu asubuhi uamke uendelee but I have shared with my mom the letter she understands everything alafu the letter there is some point recommendation about therapy na hiyo number 3 nasemanga ni registered to people with disability iwe ni yuraga mundu fiu tondu first of all disability oine mundu ina thina wa maguru maitho moko ndire damenya ni kuri mental disability at that point ndire damenya ruko wodari gwatiriri kai mwana wako disabled what is this disability why my mama akijira wewe kise they will explain to you that is when now I have come nimepata I have become so intentional to research about mental disability na na intellectual it's a mental intellectual disability sasa nimekuwa so intentional I want to speak about it nigetha koduri mwere nyona arere acio ni kumenya matamenyaga kumenya matoi ni kumenya fiu tondu ni andu ingi matoi piu matoi horo wa your intellectual disability tumetaga ciana ngegu ciana metagwa atia wituritwo tuingi twagikuyu tunauthi yes those ones tugikura niguo metagwo ruko gorara mwana ucio akurorete wa Zubaite uramwariria akurorete ruko na tumire rure arafu aya ari bado matirenda ku accept tondu ru society ni kumenya ndiramarehire mwana wena ke wena disability koguo na hari ari amwatari ni gikeno tutigatinde to explain mutumia ngani arokire na mwana wena ke so anyway kaundu kau ka disability ru nikyo ru at least I speak me have made it so intentional if I find a plat I speak about it nigetha kaundu kaka ka society no korwo mangioe ni mangimo treat better because we are not that parent but digikara miaka 3 na kiria maria duo but you see now you have to think about yourself urira ndira kore derido think about yourself for a minute tondu ndathi ya town kindu kiothe twena mundu ndirama mimi nataka kufika ona thaa ici tigani kumenyana ngakorwo ndi ningire na wasiwasi Liam atachukuliwa na nani shule Liam ningire na wasiwasi mwingi muno but you see with time I have healed na nimejua how to handle and I wish people watu wasiignore vitu ona kafauri kiuria tondu ni wajuria kiuria ni ngumenya woria kiuria kiuwe with intention to know kana woria just for the sake of it ni ngugucokeria no riure I don't blame them pase no ru ni donire for my what is it called for my mind to be okay and for myself to be okay better live na nigetha mwana uyu tondu ru cukuru ri kinya ni kinyita handu ni taugaga one ona ni videos no ru ugakora utai na confidence duroka ni ndauma hustle ndoko tuko kindu themwe thaa igiri ona time yo ya gutinda tugika recap ya shule no ni ngumutwara kiroko no na hwaini tini de nake ndoka late koguo ni guka twithambe akome no in between muiretu wa wira ni arakwira kwa nini ushosho anachapanga Liam hivi
ni agukwira
airetu nimekunjuria kwa nini shosho anachapanga watoto hivi Liam hivi ngamwira ai si unajua boys wanashinanga wakisumbua so pia mimi si mchapa no ukoona ni muno enodo muthenya ungi ngari tondu ni gwakire na ngari cikiingira ngitire ciana ni ciakenaga kamwira uyu wina ngari hingure ngitire ni makoragwo makinyite mathiete ihenya magakinya makaingira ngari makareho kinya parking you see that in picture muthenya muiretu makinju ciana cigikena cikigwa ngari na tukihingura aici ucio wari na ngari akihingura makiria ngirekereria Liam muiretu akijura kwa nini umeachilia huyo mtoto kimwera si wamekimbia kuangalia gari hapana usio unamwachilia anachangwa hapo chini
dakuwa gwaya magikuo
nikamwambia nikaangalia nikachungulia nikaona ni gari anani imeingia uzuri ilikuwa ya the brother that one was very good sana alikuwa mzuri na Liam na watoto wake like yeye alikuwa sawa he treated him like his own dari amubagua ona au anesa de kumoya moya gothe akathi nao akamacokia he had I don't know he was good with Liam ngiona niwe ngira muiretu awira atire si nilikuwa ninajua unaona ndurenda kuikate nilikuwa najua ni nani ameingia uka yao si kama ingekuwa guka singemwachilia naona ni ile nimepata ile nimefikiria haraka nijibu msichana ndio no mnyewe mosio ndugiari ya uru wa mosio ni udamodi si nilikuwa najua okay guka au gagatire Liam ni heavy takihota kumoya amkiria gari no riwo kari gate mwana ni arahota kuingiria gari kana rere Liam ugakora rere ni agutha gari you know he has energy his hiyo condition yake he's hyper Gini yake na ni atuika over excited ni amegutha kaundu lakini mtoto ataumiza gari kweli ataigonga ile pa alafu aicheki akiingia ukona ni harakara uko wodeka tarure kirori kana gari yake kiruru madenyoba ndakitengera gahinga ndakaume
tondu maguthia
kanokoro eja ga make sure ni dauma ngamunyita guoko ngamwira usiende kana riu yakinyire point akiona aca ni tandira notice kuria akaji akiugaga are murwaru whatever was happening akijira ni ushosho akoka akajira te unajua mzee anakuanga na shida sijui ya nini miguu aizangi kuchukua Liam ngimwira atire ngiuga atirire na ngoro na tondu ngoragwo ho kana iretu makoragwo ho kana shamba boy akoragwo ha githi kumuhingurira ngithie kwa nini asiambie huyo ainue mtoto amrushe kwa lori juu makinya haria ngithire but anyway that is my thinking it was not their thinking and I don't blame them because I have healed it has been
a they are injuring the child completely
and I didn't know and they are injuring me and because wina wasiwasi wewera inire mwanare ni akehiro irio tari angi ni arahurwo na ni ndakwe instant ya mwana ni arahurwo na ni todo dararia kugaruo at one time mwalimu ni ajirire ndiamenyaga ndakorieria makihurwo marie uri hura ciana cirie no Liam ni ararira na ruo tondu ni ariaga ona amuigira hau ni wokwihe no ru ni ararira na ruo
ngikora
ngiuria niki mwana waku ni tondu akoigwa niki aratinda akirira ehera hau ni mekuria tondu mari ha me hamwe ngira shosho wa watirire aca atigana nake rekinya bede mutware hau hadagitari tuone tondu ni arakinya ni arahutio mwana ucio kona ni aririte fio ngimuoya ngimutwara ona itare tutarikitie kwa ndagitari ajire ni tonsis mwalimu akihurira akijira atirire na ujue Liam leo hajakula lunch nilimwangalia nikaona kona tu vidonda nitwathie ndagitari ni uga ena tonsils dashokia mwana ndio niguo ikumahit ajira atirire kai kimukorogere ki kasuru no mwana ucio ni ahura ngitwo
ni ukorire ahura ngitwo
tondu riu ri ni ararega irio ni kurega na ndabatie kurega irio you see those are the instances where njugaga atire ni tako ni matioi tondu riu ni ndi as a parent ni taru ta tha ici ri ni ni njuiria mwena ruo na ndararia bado ona riu ni twikire very concerned and keen and doing my researches how they behave, how they point at things. Okone mayareda at a point na riu agi point ara point the whole kitchen ndamenya ni kiareda koguo kumwira ati enda uchukue atwa gukinyira ri uguthii riu nake umurie ni kikombe ni sahani unataka ona noko ni thimo ndarikwo ni ani thimo riu kumwira chukua kana riu warigwo fiu kamwira chukua ona ni ukumuoya iguru riu akioere tondu riri riko ni rinene ndaradura but you see ni kumenya matamenyaga na ni tiga ni gutwika intentional na kwenda tondu mwana ni waku no mwako menya uria ugucommunicate nake okorwo ni kugurukura mutura okorwo ni nda we ndaru ingikurehere thaici na no ko ndukumenya no ri wanjuria kana watwika interested na mwana ucio ri ni ukuhota kumenya nikikira araturwo taru thaici na magego maunikite mere aria kindu kina sube muno ri ndarakiria ringi akanjia gukuonia na ni mokona no ko tondu ndanaturwo ni magego ngamenya niki ringi ni gacumbi kareka atia karamo. Another thing about milestones magego taru unikire magego meri makirutwo ni ndagitari they have taken 2 years to grow na riu thaici niguo marakorira na turakeni riu na ndirauragia ati mama mangitho ni megukinya handu menyenye guikara another 2 years but anyway as long as they grow me I'm good and as long as he's healthy dikoragwo na thina
na riu ri at what point ndagitari akwira no this is autism kana autism ni combination ya maundu maria meri weri
yes autism ndoka kumenya actually last year twathie we are supposed ediareto nego register with people with disability riu ndiamenyaga tu riu ni ndatwikire ndageire denial nene pio tondu nona ndamenyera guku kinya ndire na that what is it called support that I need to walk this journey so I have taken so much in the denial stage na rukinya gucaria masukuru magagucokia thina andu riu denial stage daikara muno ri ndiamregister na ngirega pio kumregister ngathie therapy gashoka rimwe ngatigana nayo ngona ni rukinya I am giving up gashoka ningi take a break and then I go back hende mwe tugicemania na someone etagwo Mr. Gakuo if I'm not wrong wakise akijira I'm not booking you another appointment until you register this child with people with disability akihe the importance
ya
to ni dia gwitikira mwana wako na disability ni ndoyo ndari na ni gwitikia ndari na ndari no ni arone madagitari ni marauga nayo so it took a long time last riu ajira ndikumuhe na akirehe appointment ya January and we were in like October akihe time ya kumregister which I did riu athie assessment there is another assessment nigetha metikire nigetha riu qualify utwika you have an intellectual disability niguo turathire gwetha riu marua mau turekwa assessment ndagitari ucio arauga maundu maya mothe ndamuria tondu it's still a questionnaire this is autism now you start a journey of what is autism now mimi nilikuwa sawa na ADHD na ADD sasa tena but at least imenipata sayenye I've already accepted all this and I am good to go with
wow okay haya mwirora ritareke twambe turugame hanini tu but the saddest part ginyagia kwe nyina wa mundu misunderstandaga mwana tocio fiu ginyagia akamuhuraga akamumena you know and it is so sad ugorauga ni kumenya mundu atakoragwo but I think mundu ni agireirwo kuona mwana uri ara behave abe atige gu pass judgment abe yurie what could be wrong with this child I think so tondu na kanitha-ini rimwe ni wonaga kana karatinda haria mbere ashagoka kuyanitie na marakara
actually most women most mothers because I have a group right now that we class ya kinalia I have a group and I've interacted with so many mothers we don't go to church we stopped but at least I'm back. I think this year I'm back to church. But I've taken so long to go back to church because ndungitiga mwana uthie kanitha. Ukaigwa mutumia erirwo wedu mwanaku ndari hadafu ati ndagithii haria
mbere
mathabau-ini matibatie gukinya he umwe werirwo na witagwo after service ukerwo no fundithi mwanaku hadafu ni aragia aria marahunjia riu waigua kaundu ta kau ndungikinya kanitha ona ndungithii aigo kanitha ni uraribu kwa guthi na mwana ta ucio na niko tura expect we have peace, somebody will understand us. The society do not understand completely na dimabrimaga no ni ogejera kiundu. By the way, like now there is a salon I went to sometimes back with Liam and I don't know what happened, akakuwa hyper all of a sudden. First of all, they don't see akona ADHD, hawajui kutulia at one point na saruni ni ithana. So akijeterera akiwatch cartoon gake thimu-ini gakimubwa akiga thimu, he was all over the place. So that guy alikuwa a guy, for the first time I met a guy, the rest are women, you know ourselves, akijuria guy mwana waku nari kono unengere wiki imwe
amufundithie
ndimutware anjiri ndimutware gwa tata witu oi ko discipline ciana ndimufundithie mitugo tondu ndoi ni arakugia muno. Ona before the rest kiundu ngimuria atiriri ona ndiamuririe by the way nika siako karibu kunimaliza gira na ngoro nari kono ngunengera ujokeria kiaria tondu discipline ndiramenya kiria kiramugia kwaria ni kuita ndiramenya akaria atia na tukanjia kunigetha arie gira na kumania na hau he was the best hairdresser for locks na ndia na shoka ringi tondu riu oye wakijiria waria mwanake ona ndukijuria atire ngai anakusumbuanga hivyo uniguo gukuria atiriri shida ni nini uniguo kwanza wajuria ngai mnaishingi hivyo kama mimi nilizoea kwa sababu sikupenda kwake ni condition na kona story shi hapo no waje akonjira na arikoro na jua na ariko he mundu thaisi ungijira hena ona ti pastor to dana ero dwaro kwa mapasta ngirega na iko no ujire turathi na Hathika Road Monica ujire anji twene nikupeleke na hapa na akirudi aragwa kiongea yeah we live in guthie magoro.
It's true. You know, there's a video ndirahochaga ya the late Pope Francis hende mwe arugamite St. Peter akiariria andu a child comes akambiriria kumunyita guthakira hau kiki uguo what the congra adu matoi ni ati that child are in autism and I think if there's someone who has been so nice with kids ni Pope Francis and I think ni atu penite into a world of wona mwana agika kaundu ona agithi hari altari-ini ati we niwe catechist kana liturgist tiga gutengerera mwana ucio ukimubashaga ukibashaga nyina that child could be having some intellectual issues kana mental issues but anyway reke tobe turugame hanini tu niturashokereria na twashokereria gwiraga I love happy endings tondu he muthuri wonete mutumia uyu na mwana wake na kamwenda o ugwari na muthuri uyu ndamuria okay why ajirire weikarire more than 5 years agikaria. I think that was the first connection na mwana ucio. So reke tobe turugame hanini tu niturashokereria.
Welcome to the coastal paradise of Kenya, where beauty meets investment opportunity. Nestled in the heart of Vipingo lies a hidden gem awaiting discovery for Kenyans and the global citizens. Vipingo Prime by Optiven. Situated approximately 30 minutes from Mombasa, 5 minutes from Vipingo Airstrip, and within easy reach of popular destinations, Ocean View Ridge offers proximity to the best of the coast. A grand entrance gate welcomes you, while solar street light ensures safety and security to well-maintained cable roads for smooth access. Contact Optiven on 0723 400 500.
Mwiroreri urathoma atia kumana na rugano ruru nyandikira thini wa comment section kiri urathoma nuonete have you seen such instances around you ciana ciri na they have special needs, different special needs. Mwana no akorwo na Down syndrome, mwana no akorwo na autism, mwana no akorwo na all those, especially mawathe maria mataroneka physically ni mental. Ni turenda muno tugie na awareness iyo nigetho tie ku judge mundu otoria twauga Mundu gitwo Angie ni kugweta gohoro wa mwana ndaragia, of course. Ni kugweta gohoro wa delay ya kumera magego, ni uragweta gohoro wa hyperactivity. What are some of the other telltale signs muciari angikorwo akirora mwana wake akaga hapa kuna issue ni ndirahitaji gutwara mwana uyu assessment? Apart from new delayed milestones serious major, tari ni urari uhoro wa kwaga kwaria no ni wona waku ni etwarire na ihenya. What are some of the other telltale signs ungirora wone mwana uyu even munini tondu riu wena knowledge even maybe togwauga arira gotuku muno with autism kurigana urio experience ite no rio thomete no rio wiritwo ni madagitari from day one mundu no ahote kuona mwana uyu ena kaundu?
From day one ni ngumu, but he undu nderiro ciuria iria uragio muno ri kuri ciana kwina noise, loud noise mahinga matu
ya
ona atakinyete stage ya kwaria kana ki akihinga matu igwa a very loud noise no akia radio bike imepita ama some ni mahingaga matu
agatweka ni ta irritated
na kuhingo arafu thauti yo yahetuka agacoka akaiga moko thi hena pointing things ku point sana ma communicating na ku point things na hena imitation doragio most one instant ito imitating things niki when they are playing rigi woya kindu nona kuri ciana ciikaga amuguthaga kugutha woya kindu like uria mugithaka na blocks muiganirire wekana ena shuguri ona bia muda koragwo na ru akoragwo na shuguri they don't imitate you. An imitation ni hokagira speech tondu riri ciana ci imitate uria turauga weta na baba wa mwita mamri na kiatura yes you see now Liam has never hajaifanya hiyo imitation hata siku moja no thiko ici nitagwa arageria no ni hinya bado na eye contact they don't ona ngioka gukwithia ngino akugeithia rorete na ku ona ndari kumenya niguo kumira alia mangalia anti ndo msalimie na eye contact kabisa. I think those are the ones isipokuwa now the speech and all that they allowed music ni gumakoragwo mahana when maybe some walking ni koragwo na thina rigi ni walket kuria ge physically but Liam physically he's very akosawa do ono ngimuroro ndo ngiuge na gathina ru ndona ni muraria muno niguo ngukwira haungi kajira ai ukijana ungi na venya naka nambe haungi no ni ku respond mkona mama kwapi mama ni ukuonio guo riwe ni okumuria amenda kwa duka riu ni gutiga ndamura amen job naenda job riu okamuria amenda job okwiraini amenda kwa duka so he responds with his the actions tondu na guthomari matithomaga uria tukuga 1 2 3 4 mathoma na kuonio taru thaici no urieria ikwapi number 1 okone aramione gukwira ndio number 2 no gutire ndagiandika na ndagiuga no kuona ni kuona nioi taru sukuru nioi kurieri despite that ni taru tokiuma na Kiambu tugithi Kiambu ri thukuru yao there is a place kokoni Uduberi they divert like this ubwathi Kiambu so even though it's on a Sunday ni gukuonia ni kwaje go point that direction ukamenya shukuru nioi shukuru but it's seeing o ma communicate na kuona teru kwa anti yake gukoragwa along the road akihetuka no mwaka onoko ni ndereba kana no maikaranitie nake no mwaka kuonie njirera ni ukuonia njireo rugurete kwa kinanti utaenda weekend mathoma na kuona no tondu rude kwaria na ndekwandika but you have to learn that it's not something ugukawirwo ni mundu na ndagitari ndagukwira but it's you to know how your child communicates no ria araria no maundu maria areka tondu na kigerio kiao ni through doing things not writing a manini
na riu mundu no yuria tiriri do the symptoms like improve with time taru urauga kwandika ri at some point hihi ndagitari ni akwiraga ni ari andika probably kana ni ari aria for example kana do they improve with time kana riu ni uguo ni settled?
No tondu njira gwatiriri even my mom believes and she always repeats those words aikone iguaga ni akaria todo agikonda iguaga ndangiaria no at some point one day one time todo ni araigua ni akaria which we don't know when ni wiguaga ni mwakwa ni aririe todo nituciaga he urahurire thimu after watching from Carol he wakwaririe na miaka 7 wakwaririe na miaka 14 koguo todo ni araigua ni akaria todo right now with time ni improve words na behaviors riu ithu turoraga muno behaviors ingimuneana taru todo mai mam ndamwirigari over the holiday at her place ni ekunjira ria mudarekago areka ni ndaici taru potty training after twamo train fiore ria muni ararigirwo fiu kurugama ni araremetwo pio kurugama asusu kama boys na it didn't sikwa imchap me I understood him the way he is riu gwikatia no kageria kumuonia atire mtu anasimama boys husimama wanasusu alikuwa na squat but last year I think ikiisha ndio mwenyewe tu I think aliona shule cause sahi hata haizi squat anasimama mwenyewe tu at 7 years unaona no you have to have a lot of patience kwa hedire mwanyithiro fifi akiremo gukinya musie ususu ikabidi asusu somewhere along the road hapo kando athuri mare makihetoka we akaiheshi shiroga magasi sisusu diatidanire nayo maki-insist ona diatidanire ngimenya atiriri aiko ni arahota kuri ciana kinya thaa ici cina autism itarahota guthikioro they are still in diapers ni ngacokeria ngaikatho atiriri ni aramenya hakiri ni cia register tondu at even 5 he had not registered ndamuikagira an extra trouser ama short he did not register timing ya guthie kahinda riu thaici ni arahota despite that ana squat me yo inishtui as long as anaweza tondu it's a process na riu thaici nona no we urarugama at 7 years ni ndi aramenyire boys usimama I think with school imemsaidia
wow
yeah it's tough
it's tough but I think when ogo in a patience
you
can achieve a lot
you have to
tareke gurie ni wikaraga uguo ndanoria Karo kiuria kiu and I'll ask you ni wikaraga uguo kaigua kaino ni wonire
ode uragia maige tonie ndaneoria maige but back then but even now we have triggers few we have triggers through the sister yake 1.5 ni araria aina more words than him kuhede agikugia tantrums ciana ni ile tantrums no rucia oci over kai okarigo ri Jehofari ni what why mugathie ringi ni muguthiana arege efara arege guthina arege na ringi arenda guthina by boda na mutingikinya kuria murathina boda na ni aciendete fiu ugikamutariria taru muthi ni turuire kiroko tondu ekwenda gwikira sport shoes ararehirwo ni baba wao kirato sport no muthi ti wa sport day na thire akiriraga tondu riu kumutariria kirato ni arona ni kieru it can get tiring no unoge ndananoga ndaneuria ciuria nyingi ndanoria ngai ciuria nyingi fiu na ndari acokia no riu ri gacoka ngona atiriri aikotini no ungiaheirwo ukona mundu ngirigie na mwana mwega no design iri aramu treat kinya ngauga kaima kabaugwa waheire Liam tondu aikoni uria waheire na niguo ara treat wake na araria wega fiu no kona fiu ni ara mistreat mwana wake wita muciari ni ukuona he undu utari sawa kabaugwa wake ni ire Liam but before you get there kuga kabaugwa ni ni wacaguririo kihe it is a process there is denial there is on a head sister kwa njuririe uguo ni uri wa regret ngimwira no nguhenirie ngwire ndire da regret tondu gutire muciari ugia mwana taru ni misaga that conversation au mashukuru toni agithia shukuru mwalimu ekiri atia muikiri atia you see that conversation of asking questions yathia kanitha guthiri atia but he can't respond I miss that but see we'll get there we'll get there
with time wow okay haya nijue ni muri support groups nijue ni muri atumia mwaranagirio uguo do you have a contact tari mundu tarari in those support groups utaraumete ja kuragia atumia mena ciana ciina special conditions uria cikaraga. Maybe there is a lady, a mother, mwana wake na autism, ni ndarerirwe na autism, ararigwe kwambiriria nako. Do you have a number maybe of a support group kana yaku kana where would they get help?
Like for me, I like there's that series Caro alifanya autism, like there's a lady, I get contacts from such and participating in, like I can go for conferences if there is any, like April there were a lot of them. I participated in a walk. Kwa walk ndio tutajuana na hawa wazazi na if anybody has a school, if there is a professional in through kwa hiyo walk I participated autism day. I have a contact I got for someone for a professional of speech therapy which I'm yet to get an appointment but I know atanisaidia. I've had friends who refer through Nede Kiama, no kiwikoro inclusive everyone with disability where I am right now. To semanagia every Monday to encourage each other. It's a sort of a chama, but it's to encourage each other. Na genaga monohoka a caregiver like myself. Na ni duikaga very intentional woka as a caregiver. Ni gukuria mwana ahana atia umutigire he ungirokire ararifairo gwaku kuri nie. It's not like I know too much, but I take it upon myself at least gamenya third. How are you? Ukwaje sai kwa sababu I was there. He ungirare very even suicidal. Akasema nia ndireriro mwana kwa hana ena autism. Akadariria maundu ni thaliam exactly. Ngimwirasha huyu mtoto ni wako na watoto wakisha kuja wamekuja. It is you to go through the process. Don't skip any. If you want to cry, cry. Ndokarire mbere ya ciana, of course reke makoma ukamekera, you be strong the whole day. Fanya kenye unafaa ufanyie, wakishalala now cry. Cry yourself to bed. But it's a journey. Gamoni it's a journey to get nake through the journey. Agithia gekwa assessment akirwe na autism. Ru gimwira ru tu ni twethe certificate ino tondu no muhaka tukoro nayo nigetha tufaidike in one or another akiona certificate yo. One time gimwira ru tondu Francis ni mama Francis arakugio, do you use sugar, do you use wheat and all that? Akaniambia kamambia ebu try to avoid them. Ono kone gwakumo kwa kugura sukari tondu ajirani oi hari oigago no kwiyoera. Try. Liam sai ajui sukari, ajui kutumia sukari, uji kila kitu ni sugarless kabisa. Gemwira try this and this and this and now the child is better. Andira mwira runi twaje process ya tondu ru ninge kugia thukuru ninge ni process no muhaka othie ku assessment igi uheo cukuru irera iko accommodate mwana waku. When they even went to the salon the other day na mwana ucio damugia just because they avoided sugar. Kwaja sukari niguo sukari ori reactaga how no wheat ni aba uikara alafu ikareact like after an hour ma 30 minutes. No sukari ni akari kamwira thwitio ethirite kinyambana ni murahurwo ya mwiri, so we avoid. No gitwika riu ni kumugurira na biscuit na processed food snacks supermarket. Uona supermarket ria munigeragia muno ndakamenya ona eko ndakaingira to no muriuma na kindu. Riu hwaini ringi ni ukugeria kumugurira a biscuit tondu ni uramenya hwaini ona ari ni toro koguo tondu ni oi ni kuri biscuit ni ori ni kuri cakes, so we avoid during the day. At least tondu no mwana ayo kamugurira thwitie mwe akaria hwaini mena sister yake agakoma because during the day ni akugia ona acio ndiratigira koguo ona ni ndimeraga ndukagure ndukamuhe anything sugar ni agukugia hathiri bata kugia na ndire hakuhi.
Wow. Okay. Yes. Aya, Angela ni atia tungikuwa na online ni undu wa maybe kiuria mundu angikorwa ari na kio kana I can only give my number. My number is 0714527331. Facebook najita Angie Mwangi. Okay.
But my number I'm better with WhatsApp. I'm always online most of the time.
WhatsApp. Okay. Haya, gwendaga twetie na beo mbere ya tuingirite in the other part ya loved again nigetha ungikorwo wi muciari na wina challenge teo ya ringi mwana waku any kind of special need, araniria na Angela. That's how you form a support group. No githia thibitari githia therapy sometimes kwaraniria na mundu wikirite kiratu takiria wina kio nigitumaga wigue kuhona na ihenya. O ringi gwirire ni nyendete stories with happy endings. Twina Angela haha na rehetwo ni muthuri wake witagwo Nyaga na muthuri uyu ri the interesting part na ni agutwira ni atiriri ni ati mabire makigia ndugu na mwana Liam itoe kana yari strategy ya gukinyira mamu wao de after kugia ndugu nene na mwana that mamu wao etikirire kuingira box. So direta tuingira in our part 2 of this story, Loved Again, with Angela and Nyaga. So jitekeria to beterugame o ndagiko imwe tu nigetha twethere Nyaga handu ha guikara. Ino ni metha ya Kagoni.